Hello everyone, I'm Kri, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how to make these delicious homemade ice cream bars. They are super creamy, flavorful, and super quick and easy to do. Let's get started. In a bowl, mix 2 cups of heavy cream previously chilled in the fridge overnight. Keep mixing at medium-high speed for approximately 2 minutes or until the heavy cream looks foamy. When the heavy cream reaches this point, add 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk and fold it in until it's fully mixed in. We will also add 2 teaspoons of vanilla and mix until well combined. We will continue mixing at medium-high speed until the cream gets thicker and foamy again. This is the texture you want to achieve so the ice cream bars turn out extra creamy. To be more efficient, pour the ice cream mixture into a small pitcher. This is the silicone mold that I will use to make the ice cream bars. They are super flexible and you can get them in different sizes and types. With a spoon, fill about 70% of the mold with the ice cream mixture. Insert the Popsicle sticks, making sure they go in straight. Using a spoon, finish filling the molds and smooth the surfaces. Freeze for a minimum of 8 hours or overnight so they're completely frozen. Remove the ice cream from the mold very carefully and place it on a cookie sheet on top of the parchment paper. It is important that the ice cream has fully hardened enough to remove from the molds, otherwise they could deform and break. Put them back in the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now I will show you 4 different ideas to decorate the ice cream bars. We will need 2 cups of milk chocolate chips and 1/3 cup of coconut oil. Melt in a microwave at 50% power in 30-second intervals, stirring after each interval until melted. It is crucial to let the chocolate cool down completely before using it, otherwise it could melt the ice cream. Pour the melted chocolate into a long, thin container for easier dipping. To make the classic chocolate covered ice cream, dip the ice cream in the melted chocolate, allowing the extra chocolate to drip off. Immediately after, place it on a cookie sheet with parchment paper. For the ice cream with the white chocolate stripes, we will repeat the same process for the dipping that we did with idea number 1. To make the white stripes on the ice cream, we will use 1/3 cup of melted white chocolate. With a spoon or spatula, drizzle thin lines over the ice cream bar. You do not have to follow a precise pattern. Have fun! For the ice cream with peanuts, we will need roasted crushed peanuts. And again, we will dip the ice cream in melted chocolate and immediately after, while it is still liquid, we will sprinkle the peanuts all over the ice cream bar. For an even better look, drizzle some white chocolate stripes on the front and back. Finally, the ice cream with chocolate sprinkles. We will need 1/3 cup of chocolate sprinkles. We will dip the ice cream in the melted chocolate as we did before, and we will sprinkle the sprinkles all around the ice cream while the chocolate is still liquid. When you're done decorating all the ice cream bars, place them all on a cookie sheet and put them back in the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes. And they are ready. Look how beautiful they are. They are truly tasty, with a super creamy interior and a delicious chocolate covering on the outside. You will love them. That was all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share it with all your friends. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!